Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on how to reproduce this, and it's a pretty cool little logo. Uh, I do a lot of these for people that actually inset them into their pieces of wood, so I thought I'd make a second video if you were going to do this. If you're going to cut this out, this would work perfect. If you're going to cut it out to put it in a medallion, you need to do a little more work because that's going to cut out. So what you can do, this thing is 3 inches. Let's make another ellipse with our ratio locked, and let's make it 3.2. And then hit P. Now, if you were going to do this, what you'd want to do is not cut that line, so let's nudge it out of the way. Let's go to our pen tool, double click on it, make it something other than a hairline, and make it black, and scale it with object just in case something happens and you need to make it bigger. Now that would engrave and this would cut, and a lot of people will use this, and now 3.2 wouldn't be perfect, but you could group the whole thing, Control G, and then make this 2 inches with our ratio lock. And a lot of people will take a Forstner bit, and this 2 inches, after you cut it out, will lay down in there, and you can glue that medallion into the bottom of a desk or a chair or a piece of furniture that you make. You can inset it. You can actually do that with a laser if you can get that particular piece of board in your laser. If not, you could router. I mean, it's almost routering out with a Forstner bit. A Forstner bit has a flat bottom, so it'll cut a 2-inch perfect hole straight down where this would set down, and you just barely have to go, this is 1/8 inch wood, you just have to go 1/8 inch down and then glue it and tap it with a rubber hammer and just lightly sand it off, and you're done. So that's if that's what it looked like to me. It was a medallion. And you could, without a doubt, if you had a round circle, you could do this, or if you wanted to just engrave this on a piece of wood, this black line will engrave and make it look more like a saw blade. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.